This is a quick video about an error message that's coming for most of you when you log into the CRM, and even when you say skip for now and all that, it's coming back again. So two things about it. The first one is that Zoho knows that there is a problem with this alert, and they will fix it. So whenever you will say skip, it will get skipped. Now, as for the review extension and components, some of the old coding that used to work in the past will not work anymore. So you will need to have a developer or yourself click on the review extensions and components, and you will need to review the extensions that are in your marketplace. Now, in this section, okay, like on my side, I already fixed everything. But on your side, you will need to see if you have anything here, and based on that, you will need to fix it. For example, in my system, you can see that I have here a few variables that I need to fix. So that's also part of the work that needs to be done. And sometimes you will see extensions that are dead, and they will stop working on April 6th. So you will need to fix them as well. That's it. That's the story.